Hi there, and welcome to Stress Management for Teachers. Easy-to-do movements that manage adult in the moment stress and helps kids with their cognitive development. If you have days like this and want days like this, then Stress Management for Teachers is for you. Maybe you go home and feel anxious, irritable, tired, and think, I don't want to go back to the classroom tomorrow. Or maybe you just feel like you're burning out. The importance of stress management. Effective stress management is crucial for maintaining a healthy work-life balance, enhancing job satisfaction, and improving overall well-being. I am simply going to show you one of the stress management for teachers movements that I use to manage my own in-the-moment stress, and how I taught the same activities to children. I would also say that Calm Classrooms is a compassionate approach to children's development. Listening ears. This movement is said to help with memory, listening, and focusing. Acupuncturists recognize over 140 points from the outer ear to other areas of the body. Great when listening to children and responding to their needs. Why use this activity in the moment? Helps you focus and listen. Focus on what others are saying. Remember what others have said. And transition children from one activity to another. Here we see a video of Paul Mackey, the author of Stress Management for Teachers, doing the listening ears activity.
On the inside rim and the pointer finger on the outside rim of each ear. And curl the ear down to the earlobe using the pointer finger along with the thumb. Bring the pointer finger and thumb back to the top of each ear and repeat several times. This movement helps with listening and focusing skills.
Once you know how to do listening ears for yourself, you can easily teach this to children as it's visual and fun, and this is how to do it. We simply read the storybook, A Walk in the Jungle, Stress Management for Kids to the children. We show them the picture and the movement. This activity has several purposes. It takes attention away from play and other activities while getting the children to focus and listen. In this video, we see Paul Mackey explaining how to present the storybook movement, listening ears to children.
Reading the story to children.
Read you our story. Hi boys and girls, I am Nelly the elephant. Let's put on our listening ears. So these are our listening ears just like this, so we're just going to pull our ears just like this so we can listen to us.
Introducing Calm Classrooms, a comprehensive approach to stress management for teachers and children. Calm Classrooms comes in 3 parts. The Stress Management for Teachers ebook, the Stress Management for Kids course, and the Learning Bridge paperback book and online course. The Stress Management for Teachers ebook is your go-to guide with easy-to-do movements for managing stress and avoiding burnout. Stress Management for Kids. By focusing on child-led play and developmental movements that activate the senses and both sides of the brain, we can equip preschool children with the skills they need to succeed, especially when they transition to early grade school. The Learning Bridge. Bridging the gap from preschool play to grade 1 learning. This approach to education increases the child's cognitive development, sensory integration, and balance. It also gives children the essential skills they need when entering grade school. While Calm Classrooms is a comprehensive series, each module can be purchased separately. In teaching children, it's not just what you know, but the compassion in your heart that truly makes a difference. If stress management for teachers is of interest to you, then check out our ebook offer and Calm Classroom courses, or visit www.stressfreepreschool.com, or contact Paul at stressfreepreschool.com. Finally, don't look back. You're not going that way. And no matter how you feel, get up. Dress up, show up, and never give up.